Guys, so let's look at this question, and we can't do this in less than 10 seconds. So some students struggle to do this quickly. So we can do this in less than 10 seconds. And the best way to solve it when you have this kind of question is, since we have 4 here, so what I'll do is I'll divide here by 4 as well. That's the easiest way to do it quickly. So you can see now that once I divide this, I'll have 4 cancel out. And this means I'll have x minus 2 here, and then I'll be left with 20 divided by 4 should be 5. So I'll have 5 here, and then I'll then have x, which is equals to, and then I'll have 5. So if this 2 crosses over, it becomes a positive 2. Remember, there was a negative sign before it. So if it crosses over, it becomes a positive sign. So which means we'll now have x to be equals to 5 plus 2 should give us 7. So this is the easiest way to do this kind of problem. So don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video.